Hello, this is Arnold, and we're going to cook apple pie. Lemon meringue pie. First, you have to get the ingredients. You have to cut your banana, but before that, you have to peel it. Peel the banana. Cut the banana. And then you put it in the bowl. Make sure you put the peel in the bowl because that's where the vitamins are. And then you put the flour because it gives you power. And then I don't know what this is, but it's supposed to make it rise. Oh, but then the egg is already cooked, so it's half the battle. Get in the bowl, brother. And then you mix it. You have to turn on the oven. And then you put all the ingredients inside the pan. Yeah. Get in the oven. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's ready. Get out of the oven. And then you see the pie, and it's a beautiful pie. You say, oh my God, I make such beautiful pies. Yes, yes. Like, oh, I can't take it to top. That's in my mouth. And that's how you make the lemon meringue pie. This has been Arnold. I'll see you next time, and we make something else. Get out of the kitchen.